How to power off a Meiigoo Mate 10. If you need to turn off your Meiigoo Mate 10, either because you need to save battery at night, get on a plane, protect your privacy, or switch it off to take it in for repair and you don't know or are. Remember how to do it. In a few simple steps we show you the instructions to completely turn off your device. In recent updates to the Android operating system, the power button is no longer used to turn off the Mate 10, but has been replaced by the virtual assistant, so the shutdown option has been a little more hidden. First step. With the Meiigoo Mate 10 locked or unlocked, long press the power or unlock button until a screen with several options appears. Second step. Among the options displayed on the screen of the Meiigoo Mate 10 we choose Power Off. If a confirmation message appears, tap Accept. Third step. The screen will go dark and the Meiigoo Mate 10 will turn off. Wait a few seconds or minutes for the shutdown to complete. When it is turned on again, it will request the PIN code of the SIM card and the pattern, fingerprint or unlock code. If the Mate 10 power button does not work or activate the assistant. First step. First of all, we display the quick access or settings bar of your Meiigoo Mate 10. To do this, with the Meiigoo Mate 10 unlocked, you can slide your finger from the top of the screen downwards. The shortcuts to device settings will be displayed. Second step. Swipe a second time to fully display the shortcuts panel. You will see in the lower right part a button with the symbol to turn on, off. Click on this button to continue. Third step. Several options will be displayed on the Mate 10 screen, including activating emergency mode, restarting, and the option we are looking for, turn off. Click on the Turn Off button to continue. How to turn off Meiigoo Mate 10 if it is not responding. If you cannot turn off the Meiigoo Mate 10 since it is blocked and the previous method does not work, we must proceed to turn it off and on AGA. In using the physical buttons. To force shut down your Mate 10, press and hold the power button, or unlock button, for at least 8 seconds until the Meiigoo or Android logo appears on the screen and release the button as it powers you. Again. As a last resort, if you can't turn off the Mate 10 with any of the above methods and you need to turn it off, you should wait for the battery to run down. You can keep the screen on and do heavy usage to drain the battery faster. If it continues without responding and without turning off or has gone into a loop, it is possible that some internal component such as the motherboard, memory, the screen or even the power button has broken, so you will have to repair it or resort to the guarantee.